This video documents deglossing of a cured grind, stain, and seal system. The attempt is to prepare this floor for a new coat of water-based urethane using an auto scrubber. The process will be done wet, and the chosen screen grit is 220. The scrubber is a 17-inch 110-volt machine. A test pass is done to verify the process will work. Closer inspection shows the existing sealer has been scuffed. The reason for the recoat is the presence of grit, dirt, and bubbles trapped in the cured urethane. Along with the machine sanding, hand scraping is done to flatten these blemishes. The work is done in parallel, overlapping passes. Because the work is done wet, regular emptying of the recovery tank is necessary. Treating the wet waste is a polymer-based superabsorbent that dries it. The process is done as methodically as possible. This ensures the surface is uniformly abraded. The machine model used here took 90 minutes to prep this 800 square foot area. After the floor has been completely treated by screen sanding, it's given a water scrub to remove fine dust and residue. Once dry, it's ready for a solvent wipe and recoat. And that's about it. Deglossing of a cured grind, stain, and sealed system.